Dogs beat the Titans 38-18. Now, as a Dogs fan, it wasn't the best Dogs performance. Dogs got to an explosive start, 11 minutes in, already 12-0. But then the Dogs, too many errors, too many penalties, having too much field position, which resulted in the Titans getting their own 2 tries. Brian Kelly had a shocker of his goal kicking. But then the Dogs fired up in the second half, like bang, bing, bong, sing. Karaz getting a hat-trick, and Crichton having an amazing game, both with his try assist and his goal kicking. 7 from 7 from this game for Crichton. Make sure to subscribe if you're new!